In this video, I'll show you how to enable developer options on any Android phone. This feature is hidden by default, but once enabled, it allows you to access advanced settings like USB debugging, wireless debugging, animation scale, and more. First, open Settings on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now, look for Build Number. On some devices, you may need to tap Software Information first to find it. Once you find Build Number, tap it 7 times continuously. You may be asked to enter your lock screen PIN, pattern, or password. After that, you'll see a message saying you are now a developer. Now go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and tap Developer Options. If you don't see it, open Settings, then System, and you'll find Developer Options there.